Er zit een helikopter boven me. Ik zit de hele tijd omheen te cirkelen. Lamp op mijn kop, zie je? Lamp op mijn hoofd. Wat moet die gast, joh? Zie je? Hij heeft nu al 3 rondjes om me heen gecirkeld. Wat is dit, joh? Zie je dat? Zie je hoeveel licht die schijnt, joh? Zie je hoeveel licht die schijnt? Wauw, jongens. Wat is dit, joh? Freakish. Hij is dus nu op mijn tent aan het schijnen. Mafkees. Waarom? Waarom? Mag ik hier niet zijn of zo? Zie je dat? Het hele bos is verlicht. Het zit op mijn tent te schijnen. Rot op, man. Zie je dat? Ga weg. Why? Jongens. Het blijft maar schijnen. It's still shining on my tent, this helicopter. Why is it doing that? Why? You see that? It's all light. Come on! What the heck? Freakish. I'm keep on filming because this is really odd. Hey guys, it's still busy. It's still busy hovering above my tent and shining a light on my tent. Still busy. I've got the impression that this is a sort of like a scaremongering tactic to make sure people don't flee into the forest or something. Gisteren zat ik hier dus 's'nachts in dit bosje. Oh fuck, het moet in het Engels. Kut. Okay, in English now. So, yesterday I was in this forest at night. It was all dark. And I was making my fire like I'm doing now, and well, the wood is pretty dry, so it's not hard to make a fire. It really catches well. So I was making a fire in the dark yesterday, and nice and warm. And then a chopper, a helicopter, was flying over a little bit past me, you know. A little bit like there, and then it went to the sea, to the ocean over there. The ocean is maybe 5 kilometers away, like 3 miles further away. And it went back, headed in my direction, and started to make a circle around me. So he clearly, the guys over there spotted me, and they had this big light shining on the floor as they were looking for something. And then the light, they were first like sort of looking where to put the light, and then suddenly the light shone directly on my tent. Whoops. Wow, this is not good. It's maybe a little bit wet. Okay. So with this big light, they were shining on my tent, and not for just a couple of seconds, but really for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Go away. you know, this fire, it should be hot enough, because I should pay attention, because if it's not hot enough, it starts to smoke. So anyway, um, it took about maybe a quarter of an hour putting the light on the stand. You know, it was pitch dark, so I felt pretty watched. Well, so and after this quarter of an hour, I just went outside. The light missed a little bit sometimes, and it went a little bit dark, and then I went to a tree, and then I saw a flashlight on the edge of the hill there, and another one, and another one. So 3 flashlights in the dark. And a guy came to me. He said, "Who are you?" I said, "I'm Yuri." Who are you? I am the local police of Castricum. Castricum is a town nearby. So he said, do you have your ID with you? I said, yes, I have. So we went with to this place here, and he was sitting here, watching my ID, making pictures of it. Okay, not a problem. The thing is, they were looking for a child of about 10 years old who went missing. Somewhere over here, probably. So they were looking for this child, and that's why they were having like a search action in this whole area. And then they spotted me. Here. So he made some pictures to see. Well, he might have thought that I had kidnapped the kid or something. Well, maybe it could be possible, wouldn't it? I mean, I was the only one around here. So he said, "You know what? You should not really be here. And I see you have a bow there. Are you shooting animals?" No, I'm not. So he said, "Well, I'll just let you off the hook. I'll let you go, because you know, because this area is owned by the Provinciale Waterleidingen. It's like a water-winning governmental bunch of people, organization, and he said, well, they will, if they walk around, they will catch you. So I will just let you go, and good luck." I said, "Well, good luck to you, man." And they all went off. The helicopter went off, and that's it. Isn't that amazing?